The Yoruba Nollywood space has been blessed with a lot of legendary actors and actresses, and one of them is Falsiat Balogun, Shajeti Ologa, the Yoruba film godmother, the mother of the good and bad boys of Yoruba Nollywood.
Mo ti rìn, mo ti béèrè káàkiri wọ́n ti jẹ́ kó yé mi wọ́n ṣe ṣe bá mi fọ̀nà Yahoo Plus wọn. Mo ṣe mo sọ pé mo já.
Hardly will you watch a Yoruba movie with a deep family story without coming across Madam Saje in one of every 3 films. She's a legendary star actress, and in this video, I'll be running through her career from inception till date. Falsat Balogun, popularly known as Madam Saje, is a Nigerian Yoruba actress who was born on 13th of February 1959. She is from Okeode in Ifelodun local government area of Kwara State, Nigeria. Madam Saje is married and is still in marriage. She got married to Rafiu Balogun, an actor and a director who was her boss when she started her career. According to her, she got married at the age of 18, which means she has been married for over 40 years. She's one of the 2 wives of her husband, and they have 3 children together, Bintu and Aziz Balogun, who are also into the filmmaking business.
Mọ́mí.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ọkùnrin tí ó gbé gift wá lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná, ó tún gbélé wa ó ní kí n gbé fún un.
Ege.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Ẹ̀dùn irú rádaràda wò lélẹ̀. Kí ni rádaràda? Sọ gba gate pass, ó sì ń bọ̀ nílé. Ó sì ń bọ̀ nílé. Dákun tí wọ́n bá sọ pé wọ́n dẹrù lé ọ lórí nìsín pé ọjà rè kí ló fẹ́ kí n sọ? Ẹ jẹ́ ń dùn kí n.
Má lọ. Jọ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló ń wá? Mo ní kí ló fẹ́? Kí ló yẹ tó jẹ́ kó ń dà mí láàmú? Wàá máa pè mí lórí fóònù lóru. Wàá máa pè mí tí bá wà níbi tí mo ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀jẹ̀ tèmi. Wàá máa pè mí lọ, wàá máa pè mí bọ̀. Kí ló fẹ́?
Mo mọ̀ pé tó bá bínú tó bẹ ojú bọ̀. Àti ìgbà tí mo ti fojú kàn ẹ́ báyìí, gbogbo mi máa ń gbóná ni. That's why mo máa message ẹ tí mo máa text ẹ tí mo send the gift. I can't do without you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ dọ́kàndọ́kàn mi.
Ayé ọkàn tó nífẹ̀ẹ́. Má sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Má sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́. Ètì torí ẹ̀ fúrú ni.
Ètì tó gbà mí náà etí ìfẹ́. Etí ìfẹ́ mo nífẹ̀ẹ́.
Ẹ máa gbà mí, ẹ rà mí kalẹ̀. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan?
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ tó bá jókòó jẹ́ ká jọ rọrùn dáadáa. Ìfẹ́ tí mo ní sí àti inú ọkàn mi.
Orí ẹ̀ ti dàrú. Ó ti wọ wèrè. Wọ́n ti ń dín nǹkan lórí ẹ̀. Wèrè tó jẹ́ wọlé dànù. Ọmọ kí! Ìwọ ló mọ bí wèrè ṣe wọlé, wàá mọ bó ṣe mọ bọ́ta. Tó bá fọwọ́ kàn mí, màá tún gbá ilé sílẹ̀ kan sí.
Àṣẹ padà tẹ̀. Ṣé ẹgbọ́n kan tó sọ? Ó yẹ ẹ dìde.
Tí bá gbé ọwọ́ ìwọlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú rìmọ́tù ìbá fi gbá ẹ.
Bọ́dà ẹ ní sórí ìlú tààrà ẹ dìde iṣẹ́ ìwọ́n tó
ti
mo ti ń sọ yín ti pẹ́ ẹ kọjú bí ẹni sùn. Ìní ní sùn
nínú gbogbo rẹ̀
ẹ ní gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu mi. Ẹni ẹgbọ́n bíyà ẹ ní ẹ jáde ẹ ní gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu mi. Ẹ ní sọ ẹ má pè yìí. Ẹ jáde. Ẹ jáde.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ náà? Àbí inú rẹ̀ dáadáa wo ni? Ṣé yóò tún gbẹ́nu lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ fọrùn rọ ni? Oh my God.
Madam Saje has been in the movie industry since 1975 and she has starred in hundreds of Nollywood movies, mostly in the Yoruba segment of Nollywood. She made a name for herself when she starred as Madam Saje in a 1990 television series titled Erin Kiki, and ever since, she has been an ever-present in the Yoruba Nollywood scene. She's one of the few veterans who are active in the 90s and still relevant till date, as there is only one Saje, Shajeti Ologa.
Ṣé bàbá mi? Mọ́mí,
Well done, ma. Well done, ma. I saw that the door was open. That's why I came in, you know.
Mo gbọ́ pé ọ̀run ṣílẹ̀kùn.
Well done, ma. Thank you, ma.
Ti lọ rí
Mommy.
owó TV.
Mommy. Mommy, please come to my rescue, mommy.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mommy, please come to my rescue.
My rescue ẹ̀.
It's your daughter, mommy.
My daughter?
Mide.
Okay.
Mide want to keep me in the house. Mommy. Mide want to keep me in the house. All my friends, she have chased all my friends away with her bad attitude. She will tell me to be washing plates.
Sit down.
Mommy ẹjọ́, mommy ẹjẹ́ wà báyìí, ẹjẹ́ wà báyìí. Mo ṣe ká mi lára òun ni mo ṣe sọ, mi dé fẹ́ pa mi ni, mi dé ó shock mi báyìí. Mommy, mi dé was not like that when I met her. She was very calm and gentle now. She have turned to another thing in the house. Please help me talk to her, me beg her. She should be a good wife to me.
Fọkàn ẹ balẹ̀, mo máa bá sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa gbọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n jókòó, ilé ẹ̀ ló wà. Ilé ẹ̀ ló wà, jókòó. O ní pọ́blẹ́mù.
Thank you, mommy.
Ṣé bó ti wá bí?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ma.
Bó tẹ̀ jẹ́ pé mi ì tiẹ̀ rí ẹ rí.
Mommy, no more. I'm sorry about that. So, you know, the way I marry her, it's love at first sight. In fact, I think it's your head that catch me. That's why I've come to do the right thing now. Mo ti wá ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kí n ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀ pé mi ì mọ òbí àwọn ọmọ yìí mo dẹ̀ lọ fẹ́. Mo ti change, I'm a good boy now. I want to do the right thing. Please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá mi bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Ìwọ fọkàn ẹ balẹ̀, mo máa bá sọ̀rọ̀. Tí n bá bá sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa gbọ́.
Mọ́mí ẹ ṣe, mi dé fẹ́ pa mí tẹ́lẹ̀, ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀ kíbọ̀ ni mí. Mi, àmọ́ kíbọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀bọ̀ ni mí. She has sucked my blood dry. She has used all my blood.
Ó ti wá gbẹ.
Mo ti gbẹ mọ́.
Ṣé wà ókè?
Mi wà ókè mà.
Okay, anyway, kò sí problem.
Mo kó àwọn ẹrù wá fún yín.
Èmi.
Fún yín.
Èmi gangan.
Ẹ̀yin gangan.
Ló fi pe eré ẹ̀ bó ṣe kó bọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wà.
Á dà fún ẹ.
Àmín.
Ọmọ dáadáa ni ẹ.
Ẹ ṣé mà.
O ṣé bàbá mi. O ṣé bàbá mi. O ṣé bàbá mi.
Ṣé mo mi? Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni gbogbo.
Èmi mo ní.
Ẹ jẹ́ báyìí kó wá.
A kó ayé o.
Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ni gbogbo. Yes ma.
Ó dà. Kò sí wàhálà.
Yes ma.
Sórí ibi tọ́rọ̀ gbédè.
Yes ma.
Fọkàn ẹ balẹ̀.
Mommy, God bless you. Mommy, look at you now. You are so calm. Look at the way you are talking to me. You talk to me so easily, so nicely. Well, Mommy, her hot temper is too much. My bínú, she will break bottle, do different things. Báwo lòun ṣe wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ìgbà tí Mommy ẹ̀ calm báyìí?
Ìyá tiẹ̀ lòun jọ. Ìyá ẹ̀ gangan ló jọ. Ẹ̀gbọ́n ìyá ẹ̀ lè mi. Sórí bíbídé ṣe ń hùwà yẹn. Tó bá ti rí ìyẹ́, wọn ò ní sọ fún ẹ kó tó mọ̀ pé ìyá ẹ̀ ló jọ. Wọ́n ṣe ń hùwà nìyẹn.
What type of problem? Ẹ jọ wẹrẹ wọlé òun rojọ́ mẹ́. Mr. Bọ́lá ẹ ṣe lè yàgbé. Àǹtí mi.
Madam Saje has starred in a lot of movies that, if kept in a museum, it will be a great collection of artifacts. Some of the movies she has starred include The Therapist, Aimo, Angeli Koko, President Kuti, Attila, Iboluwa, Ìṣẹ̀dá, and many others.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ọmọ mi ó popular káàkiri gbogbo àgbáyé ni. Ọmọ dáadáa ni òun náà wo òun ló ń ṣìkẹ́ mi, òun ló fi mí síbi tí mo wà yìí. Mo ń jẹun ọmọ ni níṣẹ́jú. Ṣùgbọ́n kọ́ mi ohun tí mo fẹ́ kó ṣe fún mi. Sórí ìwọ àti ìfẹ́ mi dé, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wọnú ara yín. Kẹjọ máa ṣe dáadáa pẹ̀lú ara yín torí wípé kì í ṣe ọmọ téèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ tànù lára. Ọmọ gidi ni o. Ọmọ gidi ni.
Madam Saje is living a fulfilled life, going by what is seen on the ground. She makes a lot of money from movie appearances, and she also serves as brand ambassador to different brands, which include a cosmetic brand and a real estate company. She also runs her own brand, Saje Natural Wellness, which has one of its stores in Canada. Madam Saje's legacy as a legend is secured. Her unwavering energy and acting prowess, even at the age of 65, is a course worthy of studying by upcoming talents. She has blazed the trail and walked the walk. If there is a Yoruba Nollywood Hall of Fame, Madam Saje should be inducted without a second thought.